We're taking an in-depth look at that experimental antibody treatment that doctors gave to President Trump, and we found out that this type of therapy is being studied right here in Phoenix.
Yeah, Heather, our Brianna Whitney talked to doctors about their research tonight.
President Trump was given an antibody cocktail called Regeneron. It's from one company that's working on the experimental drug. Here, a Phoenix hospital is also doing a similar study of an antibody therapy, and doctors say so far, results look good.
The President of the United States in a hospital tonight after being given a drug doctors are still studying.
The remdesivir has significantly more data behind it. We have much less data, although the little data that we do have on the antibody cocktail is more promising.
Dr. Shad Marvasti with the U of A College of Medicine says remdesivir has been used often to help treat COVID and is more streamlined at this point. But he says the antibody cocktail is fairly new and could be a game changer. He says the antibodies come from either lab mice or humans who have recovered from the virus.
And they select out those antibodies that are the most effective, and then they replicate them in the lab. And then that's what they use to treat you. So
it's something that's being studied at Valleywise Hospital in Phoenix.
So we're at the preliminary stage where we think it lowers the amount of virus in your body.
Dr. Frank Lavecchio says they've been studying this for 4 months and so far are seeing positive results. He believes this has great potential for our president.
President Trump is receiving this drug, I think, is not a bad idea because these monoclonal antibodies almost always have minimal side effects.
Dr. Lavecchio says the downside of antibody cocktail therapy is the cost. It can be thousands of dollars. He says as far as their therapy goes, in a couple months, they'll be able to see in the short term if the therapy lessened the virus in their patients, and in about a year, they'll be able to see the long-term data effects. Reporting in Phoenix tonight, Brianna Whitney for Arizona's Family.